Hello, my name is Jack from Stafford Audi, and today I'm going to be taking you around this Audi approved used vehicle. So the vehicle featured today is this approved used Audi Q3 S-line 35 TDI with the S-Tronic transmission. Now this particular example is finished in the fantastic Glacier white metallic paint, which is giving it that standout road appearance. Now as I look towards the key features, and with this being the S-line trim level, which means the vehicle benefits from the additional S-line styling, such as the front bumper, rear bumper design, and also those aggressive side skirts. As well, you do get the Audi chrome badging. Moving on now, we find these fantastic LED headlights at the front, which are perfect for visibility in every weather condition. Moving down towards the alloys now, we find these exceptional 19-inch 5 twin-spoke design alloys, and they do really complement that lovely white paintwork with the satin silver. To the side of the Q3 now, there is the rear privacy glass, which does keep the rear occupants in view, so I was continuing this overall black and white theme. Moving into the rear boot space of the Q3 now, we do find up to 530 litres of storage space, which is a large amount for an SUV of this size. This can easily accommodate 2 larger suitcases, as well as a few additional shopping bags. Moving into the rear seats now, we find a spacious interior, built up with a large amount of leather and also the cloth. As well as this, there is a leather centre armrest, which is folded down to present 2 useful cup holders, and there are Isofix points in which are neatly located across the back row, where there is more than enough leg space to accommodate 3 occupants. Moving into the front now, we find a very well designed and luxurious cabin, with a large amount of plush materials such as leather, cloth and aluminium. With this being the S-line model, does mean the vehicle benefits from the S-line sport seats, which you have the S logos, as well as the lovely white stitching. Above now we find the virtual cockpit display, which has featured the 2 digital rev counters, and when pressing the view button you can change this to access the satellite navigation or even the radio stations as well. To the centre of the dashboard now we find this impressive MMI touchscreen display, which in this case does feature the satellite navigation, but does also allow access to Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. And just below this we find an equally impressive digital climate control, which is very easily adjustable. So this vehicle does come with a minimum of 12 months warranty and a minimum of 12 months of roadside assistance. For more information or to book a test drive, do give us a call now on 01785 899 417.